How to fix driver unavailable for Canon printer. For quick solutions. Method 1. Roll back your printer driver. Step 1. Open your control panel. Step 2. Open View Devices and Printers. Step 3. Right-click on the Canon printer and open Properties. Step 4. Open the Hardware tab and click on Properties. Step 5. In the Properties window, open the Driver tab and click on Rollback Driver. Note, if prompted, confirm by clicking Yes or OK. Method 2. Update your printer driver. Step 1. Press the Windows plus or keys to open the Run dialog box and search dev.msc. Step 2. Locate print queues or printers from the list, then expand it. Step 3. Find and right-click on your printer and select Update Driver. Step 4. Click on Search automatically for the drivers option. Step 5. Select the update and click on Download and Install button. Step 6. Once the driver is updated, restart your PC. Method 3. Update Windows. Step 1. Click on the Windows Start button and select Settings. Step 2. Select Update and Security and then Windows Update. Step 3. Next, click on Check for Updates and it'll start searching for available updates. Step 4. Once the update is complete, restart the system. Method 4. Reinstall the printer driver. Step 1. Open the Run dialog box and open devmgmt.msc. Step 2. Scroll and expand printers, then right-click on the printer and select Uninstall device. Step 3. In the Uninstall device window, check the Delete the driver software for this device option and click the Uninstall button. Step 4. Restart your computer. Step 5. Open your browser and search for your model printer driver. Step 6. Open the Canon official support website. Step 7. In the Drivers, Software and Firmware tab, verify the operating system. Step 8. Click on your desired printer driver. Step 9. Press the Download button. Step 10. Once the file is downloaded, right-click on the file and click on Extract Files. Step 11. In the Extraction Paths and Options windows, click on OK. Step 12. Open your control panel and click on Devices and Printers. Step 13. Click on the Add a Printer button. Step 14. Click on The printer that I want isn't listed. Step 15. Select the Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings option and click on Next. Step 16. Choose the Use an existing port option. Select the USB_001 from the drop-down and click on Next. Note, select COM4_001 or any Canon port option if the USB option is unavailable. Step 17. In the Add Printer window, click on the Have Disk button. Step 18. Click on Browse, then locate and open the driver file. Step 19. Inside the driver file, find and open the file with .inf at the end. Step 20. Click on OK. Step 21. Select your printer model and click on Next. Step 22. Provide a printer name if you want and click on Next. Step 23. Click on Print a test page or click on Finish. Step 24. Verify that your printer is available in Devices and Printers. For more such help and information, visit us at www.printertales.com or call us at 1-857-557-6884 +44 161 518 4781.